walking the dog. It's about to rain. It's really kind of creepy, actually. It's so quiet. I mean, there's birds chirping, so it's not the sign of the apocalypse, but still, it's really quiet. Hear that? Hear that? I'm gonna get stuck in a downpour. This dog is gonna get stuck in a downpour. Oh, you mothers. Morning. Almost home. Almost home. Can I beat the rain? Can me and this puppy beat the rain? What do you think, pup? We're gonna beat the rain? She doesn't care. She's kind of waterproof. I am not. Technically, I think I am. I don't like being wet. Wow. Yay, I made it. Oh, wow. Oh, getting too wet. Okay, going in.